This is a Triumph Scrambler 400 and this is a Triumph Scrambler 400. The only difference is that this is the new Triumph Scrambler 400 that will be sold in India along with all other Triumph models with a new 350cc engine. Ignore what the name says. That is the OG Triumph Scrambler 400 with the old 399cc engine. Now, we've been out riding this bike, we've ridden them back to back, and there are differences. Unfortunately, I can't tell you what they are until the embargo lifts in a couple of days. What I can show you right now is how each bike sounds and what the differences are. Again, not sure how well the mic picked that up, but it does sound slightly deeper, slightly gruffer, slightly sharper, a little bit of a metallic tone. Yeah, there is a difference. Look out for the full review. It goes live on the 10th of April at 10:10 in the morning.